1. You might have heard of arachnophobia or ophidiophobia, but have you ever heard of chromophobia, a fear of colors? This phobia can cause people to experience anxiety or panic when they're exposed to certain hues, and in some cases, it can even lead to physical symptoms like a rapid heartbeat. It's a pretty rare condition, but it just goes to show how complex our brains can be. 2. Then there's hippopotomonstrosesquipedaliophobia, which is a fear of long words. Yes, you read that right, it's a word that's afraid of itself. People with this phobia often avoid learning new vocabulary or reading complex texts, which can make everyday life pretty challenging. It's a bit of a paradox, but it's a legitimate condition that affects some people. 3. Have you ever heard of geniophobia, a fear of knees? It might sound ridiculous, but for people with this phobia, the sight or even thought of knees can trigger a strong anxiety response. It's not just about the appearance of knees, but also the idea of them being fragile or vulnerable, which can be unsettling for some individuals. Litrophobia is another bizarre phobia that exists, and it's a fear of otters, those cute, furry creatures that look like they just stepped out of a Disney movie. For people with litrophobia, the idea of being near otters or even seeing pictures of them can be terrifying, and it's often linked to a fear of being bitten or attacked. It's a pretty unusual phobia, but it just goes to show how diverse human fears can be. 5. Lastly, there's deipnophobia, a fear of dinner conversations. Yes, you read that right, some people are actually afraid of talking during meals. This phobia can make social situations pretty awkward, as people with deipnophobia often avoid eating with others or engaging in conversations during meals. It's a complex condition that's often linked to social anxiety or a fear of being judged, and it's more common than you might think.